Hello guys, so welcome back to another episode of my video. In this video I'll be taking you through a very simple way you can start making money online. All right, so the most interesting thing is, after creating an account with this particular platform, they're going to credit your account with 20 cool Ghana cedis into your account. Then you can start making money on this platform here. But please, let's all note, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just guiding you and taking you through a process how you can start making money online. Okay, so this is very simple. All what you have to do here is to dedicate your time for this video, watch it from the beginning and then to the end as well. All right, so roughly I've been able to make some money on this platform, and also I'm going to show you a withdrawal proof and how you can also start making money on this platform. All right, so let me take you through how you can create an account. So you can see on my home page here, you can see the login button here. Under or below the login button, you can see don't have an account, create now. All right, so let's tap on create now. All right, so as soon as you create now, you click on create now, you can see your mobile number. You can see enter this digit here in order for you to get verified, and also provide a very strong password which is greater or equal to 6 characters. Okay, so after that, please use the sign up button out here to get signed up on this particular platform. But before you continue, please, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, give me your comments, and also like and share it as well too. All right, so let's continue with this video. So I have already created an account with this platform here. All right, so it's a matter of just logging in so that we can get to know much about this particular platform. All right, good. So I'm logging into this platform here. So this platform is called the Anglo American. So the link to this particular platform can be found under the description of my video. Description of my video, please check under the description of my video. The link to this particular website or platform can be found there. All right, so they have been existing for 100 years now, and still they are making money online and giving it to users, to people who have been registering on their platform, and people who are still enjoying here, as I am also benefiting. And be a very favorite subscriber, be a very favorite viewer. I can't hide this particular and exciting platform from you. Start making money too as well. All right, so you can see the home page here. We have the plan, we have the withdrawal, and the more too as well. I will take you through all these procedures in order for you to get much of it, and at the end we are all going to end at the same point. All right, so you can see the home page. You can read more about their home page here. You can click on it to read more as well. All right, so from there, let's go to the plan here. So this is how I made money on this platform here. All right, so on this platform, all what you have to do here is to start investing here. So after you register with this particular app, they are going to credit your account with 20 cool Ghana cedis. So you can start investing with copper or minerals here. There are a whole lot of minerals here. If you start investing in them, each day you are going to gain an amount of money, and at the end of the days, I mean 300 days, we are also going to get your total revenue out, your total money out from this platform, and the withdrawal is at ease. I'll take you through everything here, plus a withdrawal proof too as well. All right, so with the first mineral, which is the copper, so with the copper you can start investing oil. It costs 50 Ghana cedis, 50 Ghana cedis, and each and every day we are going to earn 10%, which is 5 Ghana cedis out from it. And at the end of the 300 days, you are going to get a total revenue of 1,500 Ghana cedis, which is very cool, guys. So this platform is new. Kindly start making money here before. All right, start making money here before you just tell me I didn't start early. So you have to start making money here. All right, before you tell me I didn't start early and I have not received that. So please kindly start making money here. All right, so the second one is the nickel. With the nickel, we have to invest the 100 cedis here, and 100 cedis each and every day you are going to receive 12 cedis, which is 12% out of it. And at the end of the 300 days, you're going to receive 3,600, which is very cool, guys. All right, so the next one too here is the iron ore. So with the iron ore, you're going to invest, or you're going to deposit 300 Ghana cedis, and you're going to get cool 42 Ghana cedis income as a daily profit. Then from there, the total revenue to you are going to receive 12,600 Ghana cedis out from this. All right, 12,600 Ghana cedis, which is very cool. All right, so the next one is the platinum group metals, which is 500 Ghana cedis for the investment or the price of it, and each and every day, which is the total income, you are also going to receive 80 Ghana cedis, which is very cool. But mind you, the minimum withdrawal is 50 cedis. And you can withdraw at any time. The minimum withdrawal is 50 cedis. You can withdraw at any time, and you are going to get the total revenue out there. So this is very simple. So you can invest in any of them. So you can see the total the plan and build, which is the last one here. You are going to invest here, then you are going to receive your total or your daily income, and then the total revenue too, you're going to receive millions. All right, you're going to receive millions. So this is all for the plan aspect. But in order for you to earn more to as well, you can start referring your friends to as well on this platform, of which I will take you through. But before that, this is the most interesting part each and everyone want to hear when they hear how to make money online. All right, so I will take you through the withdrawal proof too as well. So come here. So roughly I've been able to generate 120 Ghana cedis out here, 120 Ghana cedis, 120 Ghana cedis out here, and I'm going to show you the withdrawal proof too as well. So you come down here to your withdrawal. So first of all, you have to bind your bank account. So with the bank account, please, if you don't have a bank account, I've made a video on how you can get your bank account. The title of my video was how to create or how to get a virtual card. You can check my videos. Then in that process, I also created bank account, that is the EcoBank. Please, you can do well to watch that video so that you can start creating your bank account at ease, which is very simple. It's very simple, yes, without going to the bank. Okay, without going to the bank. So you bind your bank account. There, from there you come and enter the amount of money you want to withdraw, and of course the minimum withdrawal is 50 Ghana cedis, 50 Ghana cedis, which is very cool. Then from there they will record your withdrawal. All right, so let's come to the edit aspect here. As we click on the edit, so this is my account holder name, that's Answer Henry. I've already typed it, and then this is my account number. You select the bank you want to make your withdrawal to. All right, so mine is EcoBank. All right, so I'll select the EcoBank here. So you can see EcoBank is selected. So let me go back to my EcoBank app. All right, so this is my EcoBank here. This is my EcoBank. So you can see Answer Henry here, and then the total balance here is 14 Ghana cedis. So after everything, I'll come back here to show you how I have gained money from that particular platform, as I'm still making money out there. So please, let's take note of my balance here. My balance here is just 14 Ghana cedis. All right, 14 Ghana cedis, as we can all see it out here too as well. All right, so let me go back here and let me submit it. As soon as I submit it, that means I have bind it with the bank account. All right, so let me go back and enter. So it is bind. Let me enter the amount of money I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw 120 cedis from my account. I want to withdraw this 120. All right, so after that, I'll just click on withdraw, then I'm easy to go. All right, so let me click on withdraw. All right, so you say that your withdrawal request has been submitted. All right, so I say okay. So that means it is processing. As we can see down here, it is processing. My withdrawal proof is processing. All right, so I'll wait patiently till it get processed. But before we continue, or before I will take you to the next process, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, and give me your comments at the comment section as well. As we are waiting for the processing status, please let me take you to the mall. Okay, so with the more here too, you can see my order. my team, the bank account, the official channel, the logout, and also the share link to as well. All right, so with my order, you can tap on it to know the kind of investment or the order that you went in for. All right, and in addition, you can check on my team and my bank account to make an edit on your bank informations. All right, so if you want to make edit or make changes in your bank informations, please, you can use my bank account to do that. And also you can join their official channel, which is the Telegram, and ask of anything or any problems or which concern this particular platform as you're trying to deposit, as you're trying to withdraw, as you're trying to make everything here. You can ask them on their official channel too as well. You can also use the log out button to make your account secure. All right, so you can also click on share link. So as you click on share link, this is the link which has been generated for you. Please, as you tap on this, your link is copied. All right, as you tap on it, your link is copied. So if your link is copied, that means you can share it with your friends. Do well to share it with your friends, and with that, we are also going to earn money. So with the first level, which is the copper, is the person using your link start investing with the copper or the 50 cedis, we are also going to gain 20% for the level 1. All right, if the person use the second one or the level 2, you are also going to gain 3% for the level 2, and same as with the level 3, we are also going to gain 2% out of it. All right, so this is very cheap and easy, guys. Start making money with this cool platform here. All right, so let's go back to my withdrawal process here. So as we can see here, my status is now success, right? My status is now success. All right, and my balance here is 0 0. All right, so let's go back to my EcoBank. So let's go to my EcoBank. So this is my EcoBank account. All right, this is my EcoBank here. So let me check my balance here. So you can see roughly I've gained 134 Ghana cedis on my this platform. Previously it was just 14 cedis as I showed you guys earlier, and now it is 134 Ghana cedis. So I received email to as well. I received an email to us saying that my money has been successfully withdrawn. All right, so you can see it was from Gabriel Ohine Anoma to Ansa Henry, and it was 120 Ghana cedis to as well, which is very cool, guys. All right, so this platform is actually giving out money to people by just doing just simple things, and very cool for you guys. All right, so start making money with this platform here, and then thank me later. Leave all your comments in the comment section, share the video with friends, like the video, and also subscribe to my channel and get notified when you press the bell too as well. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you and see ya. Bye bye.